Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. My name is Kentaro Aksyal. I will explain about this application. Okay, this application, there is a student with the teacher can see their grade separately by previously giving an assessment of the performance of each teacher. Besides being able to give grade to student, teacher can also see assessment for under the name disguise or anonymous. In addition, there is an admin role that is tasked with deleting an existing account. After that, I will explain about the database design. Okay, the database design, there is three tables. The table of system score login, system score dosen, and also system score mahasiswa. In system score login, there is an ID column. Okay, this function of ID column is to store the ID login. And also this ID column, the function, this is the primary key. After that, in table mahasiswa and table dosen, there's also the ID column. That is a foreign key that connect to the ID login table. Okay. After that, in the table score dosen, there is name. It means the docent name or lecture name. There is point 1 until point 6. It means the first assessment, the second assessment, the third until the sixth assessment. In system score login, there is ID already. After that, there is name and also status. Name is name of user and status is status of user. Okay. After that, there is the table of system score.mahasiswa. There is name. This it means name of mahasiswa. There is also name docent, name docent 1, name docent 2. The description is name of first lecture, second lecture, name of third lecture. After that, there is class. This class of student. There is many subject like PKN, Indonesia, English, Math, Biology, Science, Chemistry, Physical Edu, Religion, and also rata-rata. It mean of all subject. After that, there is point 1. This is the first assessment of lecture. Point 2, point 3, point 4 until point 6, there is the assessment of first lecture. After that, there is point 7 until point 12. This is the assessment of second lecture. And 13 until 18, this is the assessment of third lecture. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Khairudin Ismail, and today I could continue my presentation from Kentaro. So, in our first GUE is welcome GUE. In welcome GUE, user must input their account. If you have not already account, you can sync up in welcome GUI. So if you sync up in GUE, new user data will save into database. Among them is login database and docent if your status is docent, and mahasiswa if your status is mahasiswa. After you sign up a new account, so you can fill the login field in welcome GUE, and I just explaining only docent GUE. So if you have docent status and fill the login column, we will move to another gframe. This gframe to fill the score any subject of mahasiswa. For the score G frame, we divide 9 subjects for 3 lecturers. So, one lecturer must fill 3 subjects and absolutely is saved in mahasiswa database. And then, if you don't fill the score, you will move to your assessment. In this assessment, you can see your quality, your performance for your development purpose. And this assessment is mahasiswa will give you assessment when you teach them. So that's it. That's for the docent UE. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rinaldito from 2CC1 class. I will explain about what happened if the user login as an admin or as a student. First of all, login as an admin. The user will press the button login. The user will go to the next frame, which is Apili. In Apili frame, we can see there are only two buttons on the frame. Data login dan Beranda. If we click Beranda button, the user will go to the home page, which is welcome frame. And if the user click the data login button, the user will go to the login frame. In the next frame, which is login frame, we will automatically see the list of account information such as ID login, name, and the status of each user. Also, there are two buttons. The first one is Hapus button. This button is made for the admin to want to delete the account. It will show option pane to input an ID that want to delete. The second one is Kembali button. This button will bring the user to the previous frame, the login frame. The next is login as a student. After the user clicks the login button, the user will enter the student area starting with penilaian frame. In this frame, the student must give a score for the performance for each teacher by choosing score option in comma box for each point and choosing teacher option at the top for selecting which the student want to score and then send it by click the green button. After the three teacher already get scored by this the user and each teacher already gives score for the user can move to the next frame, which is M rata-rata by click the lewati button. In M rata-rata frame, the user as a student can see the average of all score by click siap button. To know detailed score for each study, the user can click lihat nilai button, go to the next frame, M nilai frame. Or if the user wants to quit, the user can click the Beranda button. The last frame, M nilai frame. In this frame, the user can see the score and the grade for each study. And also there's a motivation code at the bottom in hope to motivate the student that can reach their expectation. To quit from this frame, the user can click Beranda button to move to the home page. We reached the end of presentation. Thank you for your attention and we apologize if there are any mistakes that we made. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.